Y'all, this is step before I even start. I want to tell you that I am not a financial advisor. Take nothing I say as financial advice. Nothing. So for today, for the market, we had a pretty end day. We didn't really make any money. So the day started, we were up 164 for the day, and then the market kind of crashed, and then we pumped back up, and then around 2 p.m., President Trump he had a speech, and then it kind of like made the market trade sideways. I'm not gonna go into what he spoke about, but towards the end of the day, we kind of sold off again to back where we started, and well, now we're here. So what's happening tomorrow, right? So tomorrow we have three important data coming out that's gonna affect the stock market for sure. Because if these data comes out the way it needs supposed to come out, which I hope it does, that means the Fed is most likely gonna cut the rates for December. And if the Fed cut the rates, that means the stock market is going up, especially tech stocks and growth stocks. So keep that in mind. So for the calendar, right? So at 8:15 we have the ADP employment change coming out. So what that means, it tells the Fed about the labor market, what's going on with the labor market. If jobs are not being added, meaning the economy is cooling down but not crashing. And if that happens, then the Fed's going to most likely initiate a rate cut in December, which is what we want to happen. And then we have the at 9:15 we have the industrial production report coming out. It just tells the Fed if the demand is slowing for the economy. It's pretty much what it is. I don't want to go into detail because it's kind of confusing data, but it does matter though, because in general it's just showing the Feds how the economy is doing. If the economy is like at the double edge where it needs to be, that means the Fed could coverage, which is what we want. And then at 10, it's the ISM services. It's like a inflation. It's like an inflation indicator basically for the Feds. Like if inflation is high, if it's not too high, so they really take a good look at the ISM service report because that really matters to the Feds. So those are the three reports coming out for tomorrow, and those really matter because when I make another video, it's gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys how it affected my portfolio. Those three reports, but if what we need to happen happens, right, which is the market going bullish and us making a ton of shit of fucking money, but if the Fed cut the rates, a lot of growth stock like Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, PLTR, all gonna skyrocket, and all those plays are places that I'm in. So I need the Feds to cut the fucking rates. I'm not gonna lie, because if the Fed cut the rates, I'm green. I'm fucking green. So I can't wait. I can't wait for the data to come out. I hope it goes exactly how I want it to go out, because I do hope the Fed cut the rate, so so the stock market go on more of a bullish run, because like I said, we're coming from a crash in November and I need to recover. So this is what I got for y'all, and then tomorrow I'll post another video to show y'all the update if the report that came out was good news or bad news.